Hello my dear friends, today I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 has corrupted files. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Here are the step-by-step guide to fix corrupted files on Windows 11. First you need to open command prompt by just tapping Windows key plus S and type command prompt. Yes, this is the command prompt. Just right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes on the pop-up menu. Now you need to type sfc / scannow. Hit enter. This will take small time and fix your corrupted file. And if that also not working, you have to follow the second methods. Again you need to open the command prompt as administrator. Then after you need to type DISM / online. Make sure your capital letters are used this one, like / clean up - image / restore health. Hit enter. This will repair the Windows image used for updates and system files. And once you complete these two steps, you need to restart your computer to apply these fixes. And if that also not working, you have to check the Windows update. To do that, go to start menu, just tap on setting. In the left side menu, you need to go to Windows update, the last option. And in my case, you have to tap on resume updates. And most of the time, if your case, you won't post your update, so you will be able to button called check for updates. Just tap on it. It will be check the latest update on your operating system and download that updates for you. Once it is downloaded and installed completely, you have to restart your computer again to apply that updates. If that also not working, you have to perform a system restore. This is optional, but if your issue is persist, you have to do this. To do that, just close this one, go to search bar, type create a restore point. Here it is, just tap on it. Okay, now click on system properties. Okay, we are already in system properties, and under the system restore, just tap on again system restore option and tap on next. And in my case, I have two restore options. Dates are in this like this, so you will be able to find what are the restore option you can have. Just select that one and tap on next and do the step. This will show you. So this is how you can restore your computer and use this method as the final step if the problem is not fixed from the previous four methods. And if you're new to if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.